Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal account security in 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the PayPal website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, locate the security tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the security tab to view your security settings. Next, find the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on the option to begin setting up two-factor authentication for your account. You will be prompted to enter a mobile phone number. Enter your mobile number and choose how you'd like to receive your verification codes. You can select either text messages or an authenticator app. If you choose text messages, you'll receive a confirmation code via SMS. Enter the code you received to verify your mobile number. If you opt for an authenticator app, download a compatible app like Google Authenticator. Follow the instructions to link the authenticator app to your PayPal account. Scan the QR code displayed on your PayPal screen with your authenticator app. Once linked, the app will generate a time-sensitive code. Now, return to your PayPal account and enter the code from the app for verification. After verification, confirm that you want to enable two-factor authentication. Your two-factor authentication is now activated. Make sure to save backup codes provided by PayPal in a secure location. These backup codes can be used if you lose access to your authentication method. Review your account settings to ensure that your security measures align with your preferences. Consider enabling additional security features like PayPal's security key, if available. Regularly update your password to maintain optimal security. Keep your recovery options updated to ensure account accessibility. Lastly, log out of your PayPal account when you're finished to protect your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.